I'm in awe, guys. What a phenomenal viewpoint this is. And look at how small I am compared to the size of these rocks. In today's video, I'm going to be touring you around the beautiful island of Samui and doing a bit of sightseeing because I've been living here for the past month, but I haven't really done a lot of exploration of the attractions here. And there is no better day to do it than on today. Look how clear the skies are. So buckle up as we explore more of this island and you get a better feel for what the island of Samui is like. Okay, now Fisherman is not really a destination that I had in mind to show you guys because it's actually very popular. Most of the tourists come to this very area to eat, to relax, maybe to have a few drinks, but it's mostly with restaurants and souvenir shops, and the prices here, you know, they're a little bit higher than most places. I would say they're probably the same as Chaweng Lake. Chaweng is a little bit higher, but it's a nice place to just come and walk around and be right by the beach. There are some great restaurants along here. And right at the end of this road is a place called Coco Tams, where I made the previous video, and I really recommend that restaurant and bar. It's great. So let me just show you what this looks like, and then we'll go to our next destination. Oh man, it's such a cracking day. And look at this, I've got myself a PCX Honda motorbike, 150 or 160cc, I can't remember the exact capacity. And you might be wondering, Mergim, don't you have a car? Why have you got a motorbike? Well, I had a bit of an incident with my car, which I will explain in the future video and tell you all the details about it. But I've now got my car back, and I do also have this motorbike here on the island of Samui, so it's great. There's usually a market that goes on down along here, and you can see people setting up, getting ready for it to open around about, I think, 5 p.m. This is Coco Tams. This is open from about 4 p.m. every day until really late hours of the evenings, maybe even the morning. I think they have a club up there that opens up until 2 a.m. and it's one of my favorite places to come to Samui to have a drink right by the beach. So yeah, this is Fisherman Village. It takes about maybe 10 minutes to walk from one end to the other, and it's a beautiful beachside strip. It's like a little boulevard really by the beach. Look at it, look at the views. Incredible, aren't they? Now, since I had my accident back in the Philippines, I've chosen not to ride motorbikes when I travel because it's extremely dangerous. However, in saying that, when you are on the motorbike, you do feel more connected to the area in which you're in. Look at those views behind me. Oh. Yeah, it's a different feeling really, like when you're on a motorbike versus in a car. And if you're somebody who's looking to save a little bit of money, you could get the price of a motorbike for a whole month for about 3,500 baht. And I got this motorbike with no deposit attached to it, once again, and a very good monthly rate. Honda PCX. Look at that. Alright, we're going to join the main road and then we're going to head over to a place called Chaweng, which is in Chaweng, meaning the Lake of Chaweng. Woohoo! Goodbye, Fisherman Village. And on to Chaweng we go. This is the main ring road that runs around the island. There's a parking spot on the left here if you ever want to take your car or your motorbike and access Coco Tams. Wow, I haven't made a travel vlog like this in a long time on the channel. I've just been pretty much relaxing for the past month or so. Haven't really been moving around too much. Been showing you kind of what my daily life is like here in Samui, rather than showing you what to do. And so today is going to be a travel video for you guys watching at home. Woohoo! Here it is, folks, the beautiful lake of Chaweng. This is an incredible place to come to during the evening or in the morning to go for a walk around this beautiful lake. I've done it myself before, and it takes roughly about maybe 30 to 45 minutes to walk around the entire lake. Now, the other reason why I brought you to Chaweng is because past these trees here, there's a very beautiful golden pagoda that's perched right on top of this hill that you can see from quite a lot of the areas on the island. And I've never been there, and I've been meaning to go there. And so we're going to check that out in today's video. Let's jump back on the motorbike. I think this is it here. Wow, I'm kind of lost for words here. But this stone staircase is so beautiful leading up to the top of this hill. Oh, we got some monkey statues on the right there. A beautiful stone staircase. There's lots of benches around here, and there's some sort of inscriptions on the seats, but it's all in Thai, so I have no idea what it says. Aha! We're getting close. There's actually a staircase that goes right to the very top of the pagoda, and I just put some oak wood oil on my neck, and it feels really, really cold. It's like that kind of like tiger balm when you put it on your skin, etc. Wow, there's a plane coming in, or is it taking off? Yeah, it's taking off. Hello. Wow. Just took off from Samui airport there. Oh, damn it. I wish I caught it. I'm sure there's another flight that's gonna land here soon or take off in the next hour or so. Apparently there's like 18 or 20 scheduled flights every day from Samui International Airport, which is this airport here. It's one of the most interesting airports in the world. Like, you can literally, when you depart from this airport, you can literally chill on the runway. There's like bean bags. Oh! Looks like we've got a plane that's about to take off right now. Did that land earlier or no? Let's see. Well, here it is, the most famous pagoda on the island, I think. Yes, can be seen pretty much from every point on the island, really. You can walk right around the pagoda and have a full 360 panoramic view of the island. That's Chaweng Lake there, where we were before. You see it there? That over there is central Samui on the left. And Bang Rak is somewhere behind this mountain. I believe it's behind this mountain on that side of the island where I'm staying. And look how blue the waters are over there. Now we should go inside the Uber soft, and we'll take our shoes right here and see what it's like inside. Alright, the next destination is up in the mine. It's going to take a while for me to get there, so I'm going to focus on driving because I don't want to do a whole lot of vlogging while I go there because I might waste quite a lot of time doing that. And it's approaching golden hour. Look at the golden hues in the sky at this moment in time. Careful when parking a motorbike with a kickstand like this on a hill because it's really easy for it to roll down and you damage the scooter and then you're gonna have to pay for it. Oh, look at the view. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, so there is an entrance fee, which is 200 baht to go see the overlapping stone. Do you get a drink?
Free parking, free drink up there.
Oh, really? I was only joking, but there you are. You get a free drink and free parking with your ticket included.
Thank you.
Thank you. There we are. Okay, so it looks like we've got a bit of a steep walk to the overlap stone. I don't think it's quite a long walk, maybe a minute or two up, if even that, but it is very, very steep. I can feel my calves burning a little. Wow, give me a minute to catch my breath, eh? I think we're almost here. What an interesting route to get to the overlapping stone. Look at this. Whoa, we just had a drone take off right above me. And here we are. Whoa. Look at the views from up here. Wow, we've just caught it in time with the sun setting in the back. That's fantastic. But one really does need to be careful because there is no handrail protecting you from falling off the side, so you can seriously injure yourself. Even here, as you're crossing this platform, one has to be a little bit responsible here. Wow, isn't that beautiful? I'm in awe, guys. What a phenomenal viewpoint this is. And look at how small I am compared to the size of these rocks. And there's nothing else in this area. So one would ponder, were these megalithic stones put here naturally from millions of years of erosion and degradation? Or did someone place that up there? Hard to know. Now, you can make your way around the stone via this pathway. And I think this is the furthest you can go. Whoa. Sorry. Just take a look at these views. Whoa. And the sun is setting literally as we speak. There it goes. Bye. Really steep. Okay, so you have to follow the road up and it goes even higher into the mountain. Okay, thank you so much for that. Ooh, there we are. Almost forgot to go visit that. So when you visit the overlapping stone, there's another viewpoint that you can go and access, which is, I think, separate from this. All right, we've got to be careful, she said. Where are we going? No way is it down here. I'm looking for the hand, you know? Up there. Folks, I'm not finding anything. Is this dry enough? Hello? Hello? How are you? Hello? How's it going? Are you okay? No, I think the guy is just telling me to go back down in this direction. Bloody hell. Spent the last 10 minutes trying to go up here. Only for myself to go back down. Okay, I've got to focus because going down is even more risky, okay? I'll see you when I get there. Oh my freaking God. Well, I've made it back to the actual overlap zone and I wasn't able to find the hand. And on the way down, I had to like fight some dogs off. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty good with that. When dogs come running up to you, it's just a matter of standing your ground, go, showing your teeth, showing what you could do as well. But anyway, I need a drink. I haven't reclaimed my drink, which I'm supposed to do with this voucher. So I'm gonna, oh, it's all ripped up. So I'm gonna go and get myself a nice Coke from the shop over here as part of my ticket. Whew. Man, that was hard, man. It was like 10 minutes up and like another 10 minutes down. And actually the way down was quite easy, but you just got to be careful when to apply your brakes. You basically want to brake as little as possible, especially on loose ground, because then you just get wheel spin, you start slipping and you lose control of the bike. P, it's okay? Okay. Thank you. What an adventure we've had in today's video, folks. We went and saw two major tourist attractions. One of them was the pagoda on the island, and the second was this overlap stone. Unfortunately, we couldn't find a third location, but we had one hell of an adventure going up, I think, the tallest hill on Samui and going back down. But folks, I'm going to wrap up today's video here with the sunset in the back at this tourist attraction. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video and share it with friends and family, and I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.